run up over 450. Now we're already back to the low of the range, almost near 365. So yeah, I would just let these work out for a few weeks, consolidate and set up again.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Is my live? Am I live, guys? I think so. How the fuck do I check this?
I got a notification that it started.
Okay, great. Let me Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. All right. Market looks good.
Yeah,
It doesn't look
held up.
It doesn't look. I mean, it looks fine, and I wouldn't say like go like straight long at the open, but it looks fine. I just don't understand why we're holding with all this fake news, but I guess we'll find out if we hold or not, right?
Yeah, I mean, this is the same playbook. If we do reverse, it's literally the same playbook as the last 3 weeks now. With the month, strong Monday, choppy Tuesday, Wednesday, and we start rolling over into Wednesday like afternoon. So if that happens, then I think Thursday, Friday we have same playbook. Just a really weak end to the week.
Yeah, I agree. I gotta fix this camera placement, guys. This weekend, I gotta move it up a little bit so you guys can actually see me when I'm looking down to the top of my head. But yeah, same as always. I think just at the open, chill for a bit. Chill for a bit, manage our positions, and then we'll see what happens. We should I think we'll see some volatility today. Omar.
What's up?
I said I think we'll see some volatility today.
Yeah.
They might
SNDK, I mean, you getting.
Yeah, I'm interested to see how Tech acts with that. It's funny because I really liked STX coming into today, but now it's like unplayable because of that news. It just shows you like, one news candle can just like ruin the setup. Now I like just completely took it off my list. I don't even want to watch it. I'm trying to just type out this I'm gonna trim these names. I'm trying to have it typed out so I can just post it when the alerts come in, but all right, guys. Less than oh, we're open, I guess.
Wow, 230 called up 4.4, dude.
Yep, trim some. Let's see if it holds on this pullback. JBL, nice guys. There's the pop on TSM again, guys.
Yeah.
Crazy. A lot of buyers.
Volatile open though. 195 to 180 almost. SPX is popping so far. We'll see if it holds. Light, if it gets back over 800, might be interesting.
Yeah, JBL right in this 270, guys. Let me I'd like to see it's a nasty candle on TSM. Dude, if they buy this, it's gonna explode.
Yeah, if it gets near like 190 again. AXTI is starting to get bought up a little bit.
If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
270.
Appreciate all the subs. Yeah. ARM looks great, dude. I really like ARM.
Yeah.
Yeah, ARM looks crazy, man.
AXTI red to green.
Nice. Daily chart on ARM looks like literally just like rounded out the bottom towards 100, and now it's just gonna go straight back to the highs. Like this 167, I think it probably gets there in the next 2 weeks if the market can bottom. I'll look for an entry later. Yeah, these AXTI premiums are not normal, dude.
I was just looking at the 90 calls like 4 almost.
What the fuck? That's fucking crazy, dude.
Dude, it's under 70. Like, come on. Unplayable. I mean, it's playable, but you cannot hold on to that for too long.
It's playable for the right price. Everything's playable.
Yeah.
Just don't know if you get paid.
Oh yeah, you can buy them. That's for sure.
Yeah.
They'll let you buy them.
There's more than enough, guys. Buy whatever you want.
AOI red to green. That's good. I think these photonic names. I think the dip at the open might just be a little spooked out from SNDK MU, but it looked like they're getting all bought up. Let's see.
Wow, ARM is literally gone.
Yeah, arm looks insane.
Nice. Our TSM are paying again, guys. Should get to 200 TSM. Good morning, guys.
Air trying to get back over 40. SPX looks good. QQQ looks good. Dow Jones, IWM all look good.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this bounce on MU.
Yeah. Wow, arm is just gone, dude.
Yep,
I took some
insane.
longs on arm, guys. Maybe a once in a lifetime squeeze here on arm if it gets to 170 today, dude. Or I mean 160. Yeah, guys, fast move on arm. I I couldn't even type it out any faster. Literally impossible. Guys, TESM looks great, man. I'm gonna trim some more of our calls from yesterday at 360 here, guys. Just taking off. I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna add more to this position later on, guys. I want to see how it oh, it's popping now. I want to see how it acts.
Yeah, 190.
Yeah, there we go, guys. I wanted to see how it acts like towards this like 200, but it looks great. That morning dip was a little ass because like you literally couldn't fill. But you gotta believe. Gotta believe.
That's a crazy gap fill, yeah.
Yeah, that's literally if you guys look at this chart on TSCM off the open, this candle is exactly what I was looking for, Omar. If you look at the daily now, it's like bullish engulfing. Like this is, dude. Oh my god, dude, this thing wants to fucking shred. Anyways, sick, guys, sick. I'm also gonna trim this 200 call here, guys. Dude, these premiums are crazy on ARM.
Yeah, they're insane.
Do you have a PT for? Yeah, I'll be live trading. I'll be live trading like every day, for the most part. Except tomorrow, I won't be live, only because I have an obligation to take care of like right at the open, like 9 a.m. But I'll be back on Friday in the following week. As long as you guys want me here. I mean, like if stream is doing fine, I don't, you know, almost 200 viewers. It's good enough for me to be here. Yeah, it's good enough for me to be here, guys. If you guys show up, if not, then you know, it is what it is. Let me answer some questions. Sorry, guys, I'm getting used to like reading these chats because it's like weird for me. Do you have a PT for Dell? I traded it yesterday for a little bit. What's it at now? 182. Holy. What? Yeah, it's gonna go to 200. Any thoughts on Omar, they're asking on AHR?
Oh yeah, I think under 38 gets sketchy.
Yeah, I think it looks fine here. I think it's probably gonna run. I mean, I'm assuming if market holds up today, we probably gonna squeeze higher the rest of the week. I can't see us going lower unless like they just want to fucking fake out everybody come Friday, which is also very possible they de-risk into the weekend. But this looks good as long as 38 holds. It should get more, you know, it should pop more through 40.
Yeah, once it gets over 40, it should start going.
And also has earnings, I think, in 2 weeks, like the first week of April. So maybe get a little run up into earnings if market's strong. A lot of, you know. So AAOI is weak today, Omar. Makes sense. ASML is down 17. I guess because of this MU news or this Google news.
Yeah, light also failed near 800.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, I think this Google news is a little. It's definitely bearish for memory, and then the thing is, photonics has just been following memory, right? It's been like the next leader. So you got to imagine the market is probably thinking, okay, if Google did that to memory, like they're probably looking at photonics too. Because these bottlenecks are really serious for them.
Facts.
Nice thing is we got the whole run up. So I mean, we squeezed these names big time.
What was I gonna say? I would like to see SPX get through like 6650 today, but I don't know if that's gonna happen.
Rejected so far.
Guys, this is like this is where I would get like a little more aggressive to the upside. It's like above here. You can see like we rejected it once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. I think through that, and as long as 6600 holds, like somewhere around here, we should be fine. But in this range, it's still a little choppy, so your best bet is just to find like individual runners. I wouldn't trade indices here, like 0DT, SPY, or shit like that. I don't know. You need to have like a crazy edge to do that, man. There's a few people I know that can trade this kind of price action on 0DTs, but you know, if you're someone who is not like, you know, fast, you're gonna get smoked. It's interesting though, more TSEM is holding up while the rest of the photonics is not.
Yeah, it looks really good.
I want to long this again.
This point,
and I want to long this again, guys. Like I want to buy another strike because I think they opened up the 240s and the 250s. Yeah, up to 270s. I do want to buy another strike, but I need to see if they stuff it, right?
Yeah.
Because now you're dealing with like crazy IV. Obviously, this thing is from 130 to 200 in a week. So like, if this were to drop 20, like, it's not good. It's not good. What's up with Fastly? I don't know. I haven't looked at Fastly. Is it running? Yeah, Fastly looks crazy, dude. This is Tito's like fucking favorite ticker this year.
Yeah, he's been long.
He's been texting me every day. Hey, I think we should long Fastly. I haven't listened to him once and I regret it. And I told him that. He told me to buy this at like 17 or more. Did he say 17, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, I think I was having like a slow week this week when he mentioned it. And I was like, dude, the last thing I want to do is get bagged on Fastly. And then I looked it up yesterday and I was like, it's fucking $30. I was like, what the fuck?
Yep. It's Tito.
Yeah. Nice though. Nice move. All right, guys. SPX under 6,600 here. So just be aware of that. For the time being, let's see if we can, like, I don't know. I don't think we're going to go red, but maybe we undercut the 6,600 and then just rip higher all day. But for now, just focusing on names with relative strength like ARM, TSEM, like Fastly, for example, is a good one. Names to avoid: SNDK, MU, unless you're shorting them. STX is also down. All these memory names, just avoid them unless you're shorting them. I personally cannot short any of this because it's already down 8%. But yeah. So we wait. He said Fastly. Thought we left that shit in 2022. Yeah, no, literally 2022 is the last time I traded that name. I haven't touched it since.
since DKNU stuffed again.
Yeah, I think also
This is a
overall market is not liking that, dude.
nah.
Like QQQ also like literally
Man,
similar chart to SPX.
Yeah, QQQ under 590 again too. 590 and 6600 are like basically the
we
same
need to
level.
see SPX above 6700 and QQQ above 600, and I think a lot of shorts will cover, and I think we go higher above that. But dude, brutal.
I mean, we are under the like 200-day for several days now. So, and now we're just rejecting it. You know, like today we rejected 6630. That's the 200-day. Like, it's not great. We'll see. We shall see. TSEM holding up really well.
I know. I don't want to get sucked in though.
Yeah. Yeah, one candle, it's cooked.
I want to buy, like, I want to load this name again and just fucking turn my phone off and come back tomorrow. Net is looking good. Oh, fuck. That's a good one, man. I was actually looking at this last night. I forgot to put on my watch list this morning. Yeah, net looks great, Omar. Wow. Wow. Look at this flag. Look at this flag on the daily, dude.
Net, yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, this looks interesting.
Yeah, there's room to like 233-ish. Yeah, 231, 233, and then 245, 250 is probably like a magnet, and then new highs. Yeah, this looks really good, dude. Yeah, Iran denied talks. Yeah. I don't know. I was just texting Omar this morning. I was like, I think the algos are broken in this market. I think any other president, we would be down 5%. Like if Biden said some shit like that, I think market would actually, we would be down 20 fucking %.
We need to see some real action. Otherwise,
yeah. Otherwise, just go with the flow.
These headlines are useless.
Trade the scam, guys. Just fucking trade it. Whatever you see, just trade it. Doesn't matter. Care less what they say. The only thing I don't want to be is overexposed at like after hours. Like if you were short coming to today, dude, your whole day is fucking ruined. Doesn't matter if it doesn't matter if the news is real or not. Like you're like, see, the news is fake, right? Quote unquote fake. Your fucking day is still ruined. Like, and then you also deal with like IV crush on more on puts. So people forget, like, it's not like, even if you have weeks out, dude, you're gonna get smoked on IV because VIX is gonna come down. VIX is also gonna come down, and even if market were to reverse, let's say 50 handles, you're still gonna be red. People forget that. So I'm not really like ever too interested in being short over the weekend or like overnight. I've only lost money shorting this year, Omar, believe it or not. My biggest losses have came from shorting.
It's literally how it goes.
Yeah, I just added net back to my watch list. Man, that MUL is paid, bro.
Big time, man. Big time.
I gave him props, right? Like I really did give him props yesterday or the day before when he bought it, but now I'm just thinking he's an insider. Because there's no way somebody buys fucking
because the news came out.
Right,
Yeah.
like 6 million in weekly puts. Like, I don't know, man.
Yeah. Like,
I don't know what kind of fucking account size you're trading, but I mean, dude, if I had a 50 mil account, I wouldn't even do that. Let's just put it that way.
I mean, shorting memory is like probably the hardest trade in the market right now. It's not right now, but like
it is. Like it's very hard.
A few days ago, yeah.
Even now, like SNDK just is up 20.
Yeah, dude. Like these names are scary. Like to short. I'm waiting for Microsoft to get like really crushed, because it is really heavy, and I think we have a good trade setup here for like a significant bounce, because it's Microsoft at the end of the day. So, but I want to see yesterday's lows like get swept at a minimum, and then and then we'll go from there.
Yeah.
And if I'm not mistaken, let me see. Yeah, that 365 area is a big area from the April lows. Last April lows. I hit 365 and bounced to 380. So yeah, we'll see if it sets up. Bonds are pretty weak today. TLT and SPX are like in lockstep right now.
Yeah.
Premiering Sunday night on ABC. What happens when the person you love the most turns
We'll find something.
TSEM reversal too.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this to come back down.
Stay patient.
Yeah, come back down a little bit, and then if it pop it back later, I'm gonna buy calls on this again. This is exactly the pullback I was looking for. Omar, give me a second. I'm just gonna run to the bathroom.
All right.
Guys, I'll be right back.
Crude oil is a little bit higher off the open. Nothing crazy though. I don't think crude will have an impact until USO is like maybe back over 120. All right, SPX is getting crushed now. Under 6,600, down 20, 15 to 20. AOI starting to bounce here a little bit. See, if SPX gets back over 6,600 quickly here, that would be a decent washout. It's like what Rems was mentioning earlier. Let's see.
ARM looking great here, dude.
Yeah.
This is what you want to see on a name like ARM now. As long as this shit doesn't reverse fucking 10 points, it should be in play for the rest of like the next few weeks. And this name is like heavily shorted, which is really nice, dude. So when it runs, it like really fucking runs. Nice. TSM held 180, right back higher. I think JBL gets a 280 and rips this week again or more.
ABL, yeah.
Just that 280 was like all-time highs on it, so obviously you're gonna see some sellers there. But yeah. ARM looks great, man. This 167 is a big level. If you guys remember when I played ARM back in October, I think, when that fucking crazy play we had with the AI news, this 167, when that broke, we gapped up to like 190 ish, like after hours. But this is like the big level you want to watch again this time around, or like 170 around there. Anything around there is a magnet for 200 in my opinion. Yeah, VCX, dude. Fucking cool. Like, what is this, dude?
It's that venture fund, man. Crazy.
What kind of scam is this shit? Why can't I be a part of this? What the fuck is this? Rams run a challenge account. Tito's doing right now. I took a break, man. I ran like fucking 5 of them over the last like year and a half. I was just getting tired, man. I'll bring it back eventually, but Tito's doing like a swing challenge right now. And yeah, he's really good at what he does. He's a lot more patient than I am. So I'm tailing him on that for now. They own part of Anthropic, VCX. Yeah. Okay, then I guess this candle makes sense.
Yeah, they've got a lot.
Dude, when all these like fucking names like go public, dude, do we just enter like a generational top?
Possibly.
Like, I swear to God. Like, SpaceX at $1 trillion IPO, right? I'm assuming Anthropic's gonna probably be up there. Like, what is, like, I don't get it. We're just gonna keep going higher and higher and higher. Okay, ARM, nice, guys. I'm gonna trim some here, guys, on the ARM. If you didn't fill, it's fine. I couldn't have typed this any faster. Need to code some shit, Omar, where like I can just like fucking say it into a mic and it types it out in the fucking alerts. Like as I'm getting in real time. That'd be a game changer.
These photonic names are bouncing.
Dude, you can't short these names, bro.
XTI looks interesting. I wish it wasn't so freaking expensive.
We have a lot of stuff coded, guys. You can code that? Yeah, I probably could. I'm super busy with a lot of shit that's going on right now. On the back end of trading, and I don't have time. I really don't.
Dude, trading on its own is enough.
Plus, I try to balance my like trade and life like completely separate. Like I can't go home and code after trading for 8 hours.
Dude, light already back near 800.
Yeah,
it's like a 40-point dip bought up. That's crazy. Air back over 40. Nice. Mm-hmm.
Guys, I'm watching ARM again. This is squeezing.
ARM is going nutso.
Guys, I'm long ARM another strike now because this is literally going insane, guys.
Let's go, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's a crazy move. Crazy move.
The wife changing money, guys.
You say wife changing?
Yeah, this is like wife changing money.
DSM back to 190. Bro, they about to dip hard. Mm-hmm. Here comes Tezum. Yeah, dude. Rhythm, air also. Everything looks good.
All right, let me get rid of this SPX chart since it's not doing shit, guys. And let me put fucking Tezum and ARM here. Both these fucking candles look retarded. Both look like they're either gonna kill you or make you rich. Why don't you look at tickers like HPQ, KMI? I don't, they don't move, dude. I can't, like, what's HPQ at? There's no way this name is moving. Dude, look at this fucking chart, bro. What do you want to play here? This looks like SMCI.
That's funny. Guys, you need to focus on like trending.
Yeah,
tickers.
focus on trending names.
Like,
I mean, these names are good for like I guess if you want to play like, what's the word I'm looking for? Like shares, like you're not going to play options on this.
And then also like these are 1 day like moves. Like Look at the difference between HPQ and like SNDK or light. Like HPQ is literally in a downtrend. You can't get bogged down with like a 1 day. Just because it's up 5% today doesn't mean it's in a new uptrend and it's like playable in play. This is not like in play. I charts that look explosive. It's like it's counterintuitive, but you need to be in the names that are actually moving higher. That's how markets work.
I
Buy high
agree.
and sell higher.
Yeah. I'm tired. I think I told Omar and Tito like last week. I was like, I'm tired of playing these names that like work for like a fucking day and then don't work. I'm done with these names, dude. These like quick day trades, like I don't want to play these names. Because half the time, if I sell like half my position and then I run half like the second day, it like doesn't work. And then I either have to cut it for a loss or cut it for break even. Then I'm net like not even green on the trade. You know what I mean? It's too much mental for me. Like I don't want to do that. Need to just follow the trends.
You have to follow the trend, man. That's the name of the game.
And you can't swing more than like a day in this market. So even if you buy like June calls, you're down 50% the next red day on the market. And that's happened to us a couple times this year. Like I have June calls on SKM, they're down 80%. Like what? The fuck? 3 months away?
Yeah, the April calls that we took are also down 90%.
Yeah, just so dope, dude.
Like I see them every day in my account.
So bad, bro. Wow, dude, they're gonna rip ARM. JBL back to 280,
Yeah,
guys. There we go.
Yep.
AHR back to 40.
It's really close to a pop, dude. Premiums are at the highs now.
Let me trim some of these 230s on Tesla, guys.
The heat is on you
At 460 here.
Your first call, an office building with a noisy AC unit. Time to put your experience to work. On site, your meters don't lie. The blower motor's failing. But Grainger's easy-to-search website quickly helps you find what you need to keep the office and their HVAC running smoothly. Call 1-800-GRAINGER, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
Light, almost red to green now. Wow. What a bounce, dude. These names are just not done. MU up 15 off the lows now. SNDK up like 50 almost.
It's okay when the daylight fades away and I'm lost beneath the rain. I remember what we had.
All right, Tesm time, baby.
Tesm mode.
All right, guys.
The way you smiled that winter night still haunts me in the city lights. I thought that love would fade away. All
right, guys, it took some Tesm calls on the roll up here, dude. This is going to 200.
And even though I walk alone, your voice still feels like home. And I don't know why, but I'm learning to be fine.
This is a crazy candle. Look at the daily candle on Tesm right now. This like wick.
Dude, this is gonna go to 230.
It's okay when the daylight fades away and I'm lost beneath the rain. I remember what we had, and it's not so bad. It's not so bad.
Should have bought the SNDK dip.
What did I tell you this morning when you texted me that news? I said 700 coming before the close.
You sure did.
I don't lie,
Let me see
bro.
if that whale closed. Wow, why did the whale close? I don't see any volume. 6 to 25 doesn't take profit. I guess he sold half.
Our 230s guys are about 100% here. Woohoo! There they go.
Nice air.
I sold all the 230s guys at 560, almost 100% here.
It's not so bad. Isn't it strange how time just fades, but the memories, they never change. Oh,
All right, I trimmed this 220 call too because I have those as well, man. Fuck. 750 here, guys. I can't keep up, dude. If I get rug pulled, I need a little bit more risk management if I get rug pulled here. Thank you for Tesm trade. It was literally zero drawdown. No, it was literally zero drawdown. I've not had a trade like this in forever.
We were dancing in the silhouettes. You were calm and I was a mess. You pulled me close when the night was cold, but some stories never get retold. And I see your ghost in the streets of Paris, looking for your face in the city.
There it goes, guys.
Every heartbeat feels like you're near me, but you fade away every time. I keep walking, I keep on walking.
They're near 41 now.
Beautiful, dude.
Your highs almost. Yeah, this one's definitely 200 today. Like, no way it doesn't get there. Light almost red to green. AXTI red to green over 70. AOI red to green near 120 now. We'll just keep trading these tickers until they're done, but they're not.
Every step just sounds the same. I try to run, but I remain lost in love.
Hanging in the lure, baby.
I keep walking, I keep on walking through the streets of Paris tonight. I keep walking, I can't stop talking to the echoes of our life. I see your ghost in the streets of Paris, chasing love I'll never find. I keep walking, I keep on walking, and not going home tonight. Ghost of Paris, you're still mine tonight. I wanna rise above the night, leave behind the storms in my mind. I wanna breathe in morning light and feel the peace I've been trying to find. So if you don't mind, open up your heart wide. I wanna be high on life. Tell me that you need me like the fire needs the spark. Whisper through the silence, heal the aching dark. Keep me in the moments when the shadows start to fade. In the safety of your arms, I know I'm not afraid. Take me to paradise, somewhere I'm not afraid to fly.
I'm definitely getting copyright striked on this fucking account again for this music, but I don't give a fuck, guys. I don't give a flying fuck. We're gonna keep playing this music.
Take me to paradise, somewhere I'm not afraid of flying. I wanna let the echoes fall, break the chains that held me small. I wanna dream without a fight, wake up knowing I'll be.
I'm definitely gonna buy more arm later, Omar.
So if you don't mind, don't mind.
Oh yeah.
You walk inside your light. I wanna be high on life. Tell me that you need me like the ocean needs the tide. Whisper
Guys, if you haven't, hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 2K. I'm a bit off, but we'll get there eventually. I would really appreciate it. It's literally free. It should be somewhere underneath the title. Just literally click subscribe.
I see eternal skies. Take me to paradise, somewhere I'm not afraid to fly. Give me the strength tonight, lift me higher past the sky. Take me to paradise, chasing sunsets on the way. I'll cross every border just to hold you closer. From Paris to Rome, no matter where you roam, I'll follow the stars to be where you are. And they say I'm out of my mind, but love has always felt so right. So I'll leave.
All right, guys, I trimmed that 200 call and says I'm 1450 from 170.
I'll go from New York to
LA.
East Coast to the Bay.
Guys on YouTube, I will give you guys some trades later. Like once I get used to
Dreams on a fast train, I'll travel.
like once I get used to like managing cord. Obviously I owe my loyalty to the Discord first, so for those obvious reasons. You guys, if you're in Discord, you know that already, but I try to be as transparent as I can what I'm trading. You guys can literally see my screen.
You hold the ticket to my soul. I'll buy a flight wherever you go. Tell me the place and I'll be there. Through every road, through every air. Oh, 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 across the sky so blue. Oh, 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 every mile leads to you. I'll go from New York to LA, East Coast to the Bay. I'll travel the world to be with my girl. From Paris to Spain, dreams on a fast train. I'll travel the world to be with my girl.
Google calls, thoughts? No, not for me.
No.
I don't really like. No, it looks horrible. So right at support though. Yeah, I guess it could work if it holds 290, but you really can't catch much here. Like 295 maybe, 297, and then 300. This is obviously like going to be a brick wall at 300. ACAM. Yeah, you guys shoot me tickers. I'll look at them. Yeah, this looks good. What is this? Tito probably knows what this is. ACAM, aka Amor. This looks really good. Seems like something Tito would trade.
Yeah, I've seen this ticker. Guys, I took a second term on air here, getting paid again. ACAM, I feel like I looked at the options chain on this and I was like, no thanks at one point. And that was the reason I didn't.
Oh, I think I know. Let me pull it up. Yes. Let me see. I think I know. I know exactly which name this is.
Now, but also ACAM has like ran quite a bit, so I'm sure.
I have an old watch list on TOS and I guarantee this is on it. Yeah, I have it on my old watch list. I do remember actually looking at this name. Yeah, they're okay. The 130, it's actually not bad, dude. The 130 call for April, it's actually not bad at all. But it's already up 5% in the day. That's actually really okay. I'm gonna add this to my watch list, guys. Not gonna play it today though. It's probably gonna go to 130 today. I'll just take it off tomorrow. This looks really good. If we can get a pullback on this, like a retest like 115 or 132 would be nice, but this looks like a straight breakout now. High max, please. What is this? What are you guys fucking playing? Oh, Himex, you probably mean, right? It's a penny stock. I don't trade these. Anything under like 10 bucks, I really just avoid, guys. It's too sketchy for options. Like no one benefits off this. LWLG. I saw people talking about this. I don't know what this is. What the fuck, dude? Yeah, you guys have some interesting picks. This looks crazy too. AMPX. I had this on my watch list. I took it off last week. Yeah, nothing. Same place where I took it off. I was looking for like a breakthrough 19 last week, and then I missed it, and it went to 1970 and just knifed. And I took it out of my watch list literally last Tuesday or something, around here. Hut. Another name. Data center names, yeah. I don't know. these data center stocks like haven't been as hot besides like NBIS or more. Like CRWV is still going nowhere. NBIS looks the best.
Yeah.
I like this over like oops. I like this over like 121, 122-ish. That is a crazy trend line I drew. When did I draw this? Anyways, wow. I like this over like 122-ish, like around here, guys. You see, like we got a wick here, stopped here, wick here. Like this looks like a clear entry to me, guys. Like 122, you catch a move all the way to 130, and then after that, it can run. Figer, dude, fuck this name. Nothing. This killed me last time I played it. I lost like 5 G's on this name or more, maybe more. At one time.
Fire, yeah, fire.
I think it was this candle right here on it. I think it was this candle right here somewhere. This February candle, or it could have been this February candle here. I literally bought. No, it's not this one. It's this one, guys. Because I remember I bought the 55 or 60 call here somewhere, and then yeah, it just did some weird shit. PL is running. Yeah, PL looks good. Yeah, monster move on PL, dude. Right back to 36. I don't know, Omar. Someone just messaged me on or commented on my tweet on X and was like, was this trade better than CRWV? I don't know, dude. I think CRWV was better than TISM.
CRWV.
No, CRWV, dude. I made 120,000 on that. Dude, I made 120,000 in 2.5 weeks on CRWV.
CRWV for about a month was like,
dude, it was
any strike and you got paid. It was like insane.
It was. And we were so early, guys. We bought it at 44. We started buying calls at 44 and rode it to 170.
Yeah, TISM's nice, but I don't even think it's the same level.
No, it's not.
Yet.
No, CoreWeave was fucking different, dude.
Plus, TISM doesn't even have weeklies.
No, yeah, that exactly. No, but if you remember, dude, CRW didn't have weeklies. It had monthlies, and that's why it was moving so well. Oh, dude, it's always when they add the weeklies on these names. It fucks up the gamma.
Yeah, because it's a lot of
right. Because if you look at TER, guys, this is a great example of it. I've been trying to play this name all fucking week since like 300, like somewhere here, and I couldn't find an entry all week. You can ask Cito, no more. I can ask anybody in Discord. I couldn't find an entry, and it, like for 30 points, because what happened was they used to have monthlies on this, so they were fairly priced, like. You know, they weren't horribly priced, but now the weeklies are like 20 out of the money, they're 4. And now the monthlies are like $8, 50 out of the money, they're $5, 100 out of the money. So it becomes unplayable. Like you need a massive move to get paid. But yeah, I think that was CRWV's downfall, bro. When they added the strikes, they start fucking with a lot of shit. SMCI, dude, just take this off your list and literally never talk about it again to anybody you know. Don't even let people know you traded this name after 2022 or 23. This name looks like shit. Not to say like it's not a bad long here for shares at like 2022. Yeah, it looks fine, but I would never trade calls on this ever again. That's why all the money's going to Dell. They do the same thing. So all the money from SMCI is going straight to Dell. Look at 1, 2, 3, like 5, 6 days up in a row. Wow, guys, JBL 281 handle here. Arm at the highs. Beauty, guys. BKSY hard rejection to 29. Yeah, this another one. Actually, wow. Yeah, I don't know. This name, I realized like Omar for BKSY, just because like how fucking sketchy it is. When it gets to 29, I think this name is like best to play like at the money. Like I don't know, probably buy like May calls, like the 30 calls at $5 if you really like it, or don't go out more than like 35 call. There's volume on them. The 40 call, dude. That whale, or this whale from February that bought the 40 call is almost break even on BKSY. And we played the breakout. He's still in 1,400 contracts on the OI. These were down minus 95%. Dawkins looking really good. It was down pre-market. Did they buy it up? Yeah, of course they bought it up. Yeah, crazy. I missed this. Literally over here. This was a trade, guys. Right above 70. Stage 2 breakout. Gone. But whatever. No point to FOMO. I missed a bunch of trades. But it's all good because the winners usually make up for it. Yeah, Fly going as well. Yeah, another name. Yeah, this was IPO'd last August, I think. Yeah, IPO'd in August. Yeah, there we go, man. JBL right through that 280 that I mentioned on Monday here, guys. JBL's up 25 points on March since we longed it. Crazy, guys. Crazy. Val. Valaris. What's this wick? Looks good. Never traded this name though. What do you think the price target for JBL is? It's first one's probably 300. Well, 280 then 300.
That's crazy.
There goes ARM, new highs, man. Nice, you got the. I missed the AHR guys yesterday, but that's great trade, dude. You bought those at 3? Omar?
A 3, yep.
Nice, that's solid, dude. Very nice. Good job.
Yeah, Renz, I'll be right back.
All right. Actually, Sam, I'm gonna use the brush room again. Been chugging water.
back to where we started from. California, here we come. California, here we run. Through the night until the dawn. California, here we come. California, here we come. Back to where we started from. California, here we come. Back to where we started from.
Hims to the downside? No, I'm not shorting Hims. It's so beat up.
Another chance, another reason to dream. So let's not wait now. The time is ours. I see it shining when I look in your heart. Ooh, we're chasing this life. Yeah, we're chasing this life now. They can't steal it from us. No, they can't steal it from us. It might be hard to understand, 'cause I don't
All right, guys, I'm gonna use this restroom for 1 second,
let go of what was left behind.
and I will be right back.
This ride of mine, this
We're gonna find another banger.
good life. Now come again, let's drift away. I'm dreaming places only found in my head. Follow my lead now, no need to wait. This moment's meant for us and they can't take. Ooh, this feeling so right, yeah, this feeling so right now. Our time is tonight, yeah, our time is tonight now. It might be hard to understand, 'cause I don't like to think too much. Let go of what was left behind and come along this ride of mine. This good life. 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 It's a long, long road we roam, still so far away from home. But me and all my crew keep rolling till the daylight's gone, till the daylight's gone. Swore I'd hold on to this feeling, let the past fade into black. I just wanna live in the moment till the daylight's gone, till the daylight's gone. Till the daylight's gone.
Back. Let me change the music because I'm gonna get copyright strike, and I don't want to do that.
Before we got our vibe board, it used to be endless sync meetings where nothing was communicated well or efficiently.
All right. mRNA waking up. Yeah, I like mRNA through 56. I don't know what it's at now, but I'll take a look at it. Yeah, looks really good here. Nope, I can't hear shit. Can you guys hear me? My music's not playing now.
I hear you on Discord.
Can you guys hear me? You're in trading floor. Can you guys hear me on chat?
I hear you in Discord.
Okay, you guys can hear me. I can't hear my music. I don't know what's going on now.
Rems, can you hear me?
You can hear the music? How the fuck can you hear the music? I can't even hear it. Did I touch something? There we go. I can hear it now. Omar, are you there?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Nah, I can hear you. I don't know. Sometimes,
All right, nice.
there we go. Sometimes I have to I click this button on my headset on the side of it. It switches from like PC to console because it's like a gaming headset. You know what I mean? All right, guys, I trimmed these JBL 300 calls and at 5 and the 310 calls as well. Low-key nice setups out there all of a sudden. Yeah, that's usually what happens. Market will just wash everybody out for a few weeks, or in this case, a few months, and then just start doing stupid shit. I think this entire time there's been setups. You just have to really play the right names. Hasn't been easy though. Omar, are you looking at anything?
Really, I'm still interested in Microsoft, but I want it. It looks really heavy.
You bought shares yesterday,
I
right?
want it near 3. Yeah.
Nice.
I mean, that's like long term. But for a trade, I really like this, like near 365 if it gets there. It might be one of those that we get a gap down though.
Mm-hmm.
Like a gap down that goes red to green. But yeah, that's the only thing I'm really interested in the short term. Other than that, I think we're trading the right names, we're in the right stuff. Like, just let these trades ride a little bit longer. And SPX looks fine. QQQ is over 590. There's no big reversals yet. But yeah, I mean, if we're doing the same playbook as the last few weeks and we roll over like later today, then we could potentially trade the downside into Friday. But yeah, other than that, man, I'm not trying to really press any crazy new trades right now.
All right, here's what I'll do. All right, I'm gonna give somebody $100 on Venmo. If you're a subscriber, I'll choose you guys later today. So it's literally free. So just hit sub and then I'll pick somebody. Still liking that. I'm not in that, but I do like the setup. Yeah, it just needs some time, I think. ARM is like my big focus now. Moving forward. Especially if it can hold this gap without it moving lower today, I think this could head towards this 167, 170 level in the next like week. Invis? Yeah, I mentioned Invis. I like it. Yeah, just look for names in a strong trend, like names that are trending and above moving averages is all I really look for. Like for example, now ARM wasn't on my radar till literally today, but that news is obviously very bullish for this name, and it's carving out this like rounded out bottom of 100. So I think this could make new highs this year. I think in the next 3-4 weeks, this is probably going to go back to all-time highs. But obviously, market has to follow, right? Because if we're down another, 3-4% on the S&P and the Qs, this will obviously fail. It's a tech name, but as long as the market continues to hold up, like this should continue to trend higher. Also on SATS. Never traded this, but it looks good. Strong move today. My cats are driving me nuts last night, Omar. Dude.
They just like running around at night.
Dude, I have my one cat that she's small. She's like 2 years old now. I rescued her when I moved into my new house. And she's normally very good. At night, like she'll sleep like literally on my pillow. Last night, she was like having a fucking panic attack because she was like downstairs, coming up the stairs, like meowing. I think she forgot like where we were. And I called her over. It was like 2 a.m, dude. I was like, my eyes were like literally half shut. And
Cats are hilarious.
I was like, get over here. She just ran up, got right into my pillow. I was like, what are you, an idiot? Like, we're in the same spot every night. She's panicking. She probably fell asleep in the living room and didn't realize we came upstairs. But that like fucked up my entire sleep schedule. And I go back to sleep till like 3, and then I woke up at 5:30 this morning. Nice arm pop, guys. Very nice, dude. New highs here. Or into new highs. Let's see if it gets through.
Big drop on SPX back to 6,600.
Yeah. Let me pull that back
Choppy
up.
action.
Yeah, as long as we hold 600, I think we're fine. What do you think, though? You think we're headed towards like a new high tomorrow, or you think this is like fake out again?
I don't know, dude. I mean, if it's like I said, if this is the same like playbook as the last few weeks, then we're essentially at the highs now, and we sell off into Friday. But yeah, I don't know, man. It's impossible to predict. All I know is we're under the 200-day moving average.
Nice like, arm new highs here,
as
guys.
As long as that's the case, then it's hard to be like overly bullish until until we recover.
Yep, I agree.
But day to day, something like ARM, hell yeah, like this strong name. Play the upside.
Yep.
It still seems like, ironically, the best trades are to the upside still. They just have to be selective on the names.
They asked me this morning, do I short? What's there to short? Nothing works. Unless you're on overnight puts.
We haven't traded puts.
Yeah,
we tried app like last Friday, and that was it.
Yeah, and I'm not...
Paid for like 30 seconds.
Yeah, they pay for fucking a minute and a half, and then they just reverse. Because the market decides to pop. It's just not worth it, dude. I think majority of traders would be more profitable if they didn't short. And that's not coming from me. You can ask any of the best traders. They'll tell you that. There's like this
a lot of good traders don't.
Yeah,
they don't even try. Like, or if they do, it's always like the big parabolic type shorts, not like trend shorts.
Yeah.
There's too many squeezes, man. Like it's so hard to. It's not the same as trading the upside, because the upside you have these like shallow dips that are fine, but the downside you have like you're in a downtrend, but like each bounce against you always like takes out so much liquidity.
Yeah, when the VIX is also
past your stop.
When the VIX is also like just full blown like in the 25s and 30s the entire time, like any rip is just gonna destroy your puts.
Yeah. I think the way to trade it is like you just sell calls on pops, and then that's the way to trade like a downtrend with options.
Puts with time have paid the last 6 months on stocks move lower. Yeah, I mean, sure, in theory, that's true. But who wants to
Is
hold
it?
puts for
I mean,
I mean, maybe probably not. But who wants to hold puts for 3 months? I can't hold puts for a day.
I'm about to fact check this. Let me see, like,
You're about to get
let me
fact
see
checked
the
by
April.
Omar.
Let me see the April 6600 put on SPX. Because I actually haven't done this exercise yet, so I'm curious for myself. All right, who asked this question? I'm about to throw this chart at you.
It's someone on the YouTube chat.
Well,
Dole Cameron,
YouTube?
my #1 supporter. I love you, Dole.
All right, so let's say if you bought this is the April 6600 put, so it's at the money right now. If you bought this literally at the top, right?
At 7,000.
You bought it for at 7,000. Like you nailed the top. You bought this at 63 or 62. It has gone to 215 on what's it called?
215.
Yeah.
Okay, so
From
3x.
7,000 down to what was the low on SPX? 6,500.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but in the meantime, it has barely moved overall. So like, let's say realistically, you bought this around like 100, 120. It's at 130 right now. So that's like, it's super choppy. It doesn't look like SPX. SPX looks better as like
He's saying, yeah, you're talking about SPX.
Like,
I think he's talking about like random names. Yeah, I agree. If you can catch tops on random names, they probably paid. But dude, it's so hard. I don't know who can hold. Like
you have to sell the rip though.
Yeah.
That's the thing. You cannot sell the momentum lower.
Because didn't we go from like 7K down to like 6,800 and back to 7K almost, and then back down?
Yeah.
Like multiple times.
I mean, these puts went from 75 to 150 back down to 75 in like 2 sessions. Like you can't hold that.
Crazy, dude.
And then if you just look, I can post the chart of the premium, but pull up the premium. It's super choppy, this premium.
Guys, puts suck. That's all we're telling you. And trust me, when we want to be bearish, we're fucking bearish. But I already know it's a shitty day when like I have to be like, oh look, someone's spamming net. Did it pop? Net just died. What happened? What the fuck is this? Ew. News, maybe?
Everything just kind of sunk.
Everything but ARM? Because that's all I have it pulled up right now is ARM.
If you're only watching ARM,
yeah, I only have the ARM chart up at SPX. And I have TISM up on my phone, and that's doing fine.
Yeah.
And JBL.
Yeah, Microsoft is testing 370. SPX is under 6,600. Yeah, fast sell here. Kind of across the board now.
Omar, what strike they're asking? What strike for IBIT did you sell puts on?
35 for May.
May 35, guys. But nice, guys. ARM heading right into this 160 area. Nice, ARM through 160.
That's crazy.
Omar, check your text. I text you something.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, it's a personal text, guys. Omar's flying in tomorrow. Just wanted to get some information. We're hanging out tomorrow. Meet Omar and Tito. Tomorrow night, I should say, not in the morning. Nice, dude. ARM.
That's crazy. SPX is literally going lower, arms going
There
higher.
we go. Okay, I'm gonna trim some of these arm calls at 2 here from 180. Oh, 120. I'm sorry, not 180. 120 from 180.
Ooh, market is selling down 20 from 6,600 now. New lows, new intraday lows.
Mm-hmm.
We are selling.
Mm-hmm. I picked up the I couldn't alert it because literally this shit was fucking moving. Like early in the morning, guys, I got 9:30 fucking 1 whenever the market opened. I picked up the 170 call for April 17 on ARM at 2 and they're 6.
Crazy.
No, it's right. There goes ARM. Squeezing.
Dude, it's like that's hilarious, man. Market literally like selling off.
All right, guys, I'm gonna take the first trim here on these roll-ups, 30%. Just because market is selling and I don't want to get bagged. This looks so good, dude. I'm gonna buy a ton of calls at close if this is strong again. Oh my god, oh my god, they're 50%.
Hmm?
What the hell?
Getting paid, dude.
All right, guys, I sold some for 45% here. I have to. It's got to be smart. I trimmed the other ones at 100% too, guys. Wow, what a move. Man, the profit channel is going nuts. Good job, guys.
Oh yeah.
Good job, everybody.
Bounce on SPX. That was a big shakeout.
Dude, we hit
Right
163.
back at 60.
Arm, I didn't even realize. I was too busy fucking tweeting like a retard. I swear to God. You know how many times I've done that? I go and tweet something and I come back and like, I look at the premium and it's like 20% lower than it was. Wow, man, I love seeing people make money.
Yeah, dude, it's the best.
Cause you know what it is, dude? Like we were there, I was like once in those shoes, you know, making a couple hundred, 500, 1,000, 1,500. It's a lot of money, man. It's a lot of money.
Yeah, I think as you get bigger, you forget like how amazing it is to just make like a few hundred. Like it makes a big difference.
My wife will, like, you know, she's a psychologist. She has a great job, right? Like, very smart, very passionate about what she does. And sometimes she'll just be like, "How'd you do today?" And I'll tell her everything. Yeah, so and so. I'm like, "It's okay, day." She's like, "Dude, you need to like come down to earth." I'm like, yeah, I like, you're right, I guess. But it's crazy, dude, because even like making $200 a day is a lot of fucking money, dude. $1,000 a week,
Yeah,
$4,000 a month. That's like fucking
50K salary.
Yeah.
You know, on top of.
But I tell people all the time, dude, like,
or-
respect your gains, respect your account, no matter how small, how big it is. Right? It doesn't matter if you
Yeah,
trade with
take
1K
out
or
profit,
100K.
too.
Always pay yourself. I don't think I've ever talked about this, but I pay myself. I have a auto pay set up on Schwab. It's like every Wednesday. So today actually paid me, so my money comes in tomorrow. It's like a set base, whatever it is. Like, it could be 5K, 2K, 1K. I have that come out every week, whether I'm red or green or fucking, if I make 5K, 50K. And then at the end of the month, if I have like a big month, I'll withdraw like a bigger portion for like taxes and, like, you know, maybe go, you know, splurge on like something for myself, or like, you know. But always, guys, always pay yourself, always just respect your profits, right? And that's how you stay long enough in the game. Like, if you had a big week this week till now, like, you should withdraw part of your account. I mean, it's a no-brainer. And it motivates you too, right? Like, if you don't pay yourself, like, you're basically just doing this for fun, and you're coming here wasting your time every day.
Yeah. If you guys haven't listened to Tito's interview on Trader Lion, he like literally talks about that too, from like a psychological perspective. If you pay yourself, you know, let's say you're trading like a 10K account and you run it up to 15K or something. Like, once you withdraw that 5K, you put yourself in such a better like psychological position, because even if you lose half the account, you're like net break even, because you already withdrew, you know, half the account. So, and that's why we like start every year, and, you know, we start smaller, withdraw profits from the last year, and that way, like, if we totally blow up the start of the year, like, we're still overall positive on our like trading career. But if you keep like pressing and never withdrawing, and
you get nowhere, like literally nowhere.
And you just set yourself up for a higher probability of like big failure. Like, that's all.
Yep.
Yeah, definitely withdraw profits and pay yourself. Big bounce on SPX. That's hilarious. Imagine you bought puts there on the reversal. Just smoked.
Yeah. Smoked, literally. Circle looks like it's getting ready for the next leg lower. Yeah. Busted chart for me. But it does look horrible after that news. Yeah. This 100, 98, 100 spot is obviously, you're going to see a lot of bounces here. But other than that, I don't think it's worth playing. ARM is the one you want to be in right now, guys. All right, guys, I trimmed more arm here at 65%.
Stop, baby.
Oops. Would you enter arm here? Probably not. Right here, per se, but I would on a pullback. If it holds 160, I would enter there. Even that's a little bit risky, but like smaller size, it wouldn't hurt. Are you holding arm until tomorrow versus for a day trade? Oh, this is someone asking in Discord. Well, I've already trimmed the first one at 100%, and I'm already trimming the second one, so I'm just gonna hold for now what I have. I always swing runners if I have a cushion. If I don't, then I never do, or I rarely do. But as far as arm, yeah, as long as this closes pretty strong, I'm holding. Is it too late to get into TSEM now? I don't think so. I mean, you just wait and see. Yeah, just. Oh, he's joking. Can't tell, bro.
Guys, we cannot tell. Trust me. We've heard the craziest shit.
I've heard worse questions, dude.
That wasn't even that bad.
The stream rocks grew the account 25% this week on Tesla and ARM. grow the subscriber base, monetize it, and advertise on it, and keep it for free. Just keep it different from the cord. Simple call outs is all we need. Yeah, I don't, like I said, I'm going to stream as long as you guys show up every day. I don't mind helping a few people who show up. Honestly, if you show up, you're probably doing very well. But I get it. Some people have morning jobs. It's inconvenient. Like, you can't have a fucking stream open and trade and do all that, you know? It helps a bunch just to stay calm. The stream is great, bro. I'll be here every day. Yeah, awesome. Just tomorrow, guys, I won't be live. Like I said, I won't even be live on Discord. I have some things to take care of first thing in the morning. But other than that, I'll be live every day. Arm new highs, guys. Omar, can you trim these 190s? I'm gonna sell some right here at 275.
Yeah.
Because I can't even I'm too lazy to type. My fingers hurt. I can't wait to work out today, dude. VIAV, yeah. Tito mentioned this. When did he mention this? Last week, Omar? VIAV? I think Omar's muted.
Can you hear me?
A little bit better now.
Weird. I'm not on mute.
You're good now. Yeah, I can hear you now. This
Okay,
VIAV that Tito mentioned at 30, what a beast, dude. I didn't do enough.
Yeah.
I didn't do enough research on it because if I had known this was a photonics name, like I just found out because someone typed it in chat, I would have fucking loaded this thing. $8 billion valuation is that's so cheap if this actually runs. I need to become friends with like big music artists that I like, so I can play their fucking music on stream without getting fucking copyright striked.
That'd be sick. Have them come on stream. Straight to them.
I don't mind this lo-fi like free music, but dude, do we think TSCM will hit 200 before April? I think so. What are your thoughts on Intel? Let me see. I got burned playing this about a month ago. It's kind of my fault. But I mean, I don't like this candle on the 15-minute, that's for sure. Maybe the daily looks better. A name like this, you have to like really zoom out. Yeah, it looks good on the daily. It's like decent flag on the daily. Yeah, weekly also looks okay, I guess. Another flag on the weekly. Yeah, it looks good. I don't know. I don't really have like this kind of name. You have to stay like at the money and probably play like 2 months out, unless it makes those like big daily moves. And I know some people catch these like weeklies on this name when it runs, but I don't really. Yeah, what's up, Shoof? I don't really trade this like on a shorter time frame. But ARM, for example, look at this. Dude, Omar, pull the weekly up on ARM. This is gonna go retarded over 170.
Yeah. Dude, this range has been insane. Like 90 to whatever one.
I'm gonna fucking load this thing over 170. I didn't even realize how fucking this fucking weekly looks retarded.
I can't believe it only IPO'd like in 23. I feel like we've been trading this for like ever.
Yeah, man. I remember I bought on earnings calls on this back when it IPO'd at like 70 and it went to 100.
The big breakout.
Yeah, I had like one contract. I think like the 90 call. It was like fucking so expensive though, by the way. It was like $3 and they went to like 20. Shoof said ARM 220 coming if we break 199 range. Yeah, dude. 100%. I think this is going to be one of the best names to trade now into like Q2. Nice, you've been loading the boat. I should have, honestly, man, we should have bought some shares at 100. I just didn't. Sometimes you like, sometimes you don't even trust yourself. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let me just grab this phone.
That's why I'm starting to buy Microsoft, because I'm like, we all know this is going to be higher like in 2 years.
Yeah.
And I don't want to look back and be like, damn, I could have. It's the same thing like Meta, dude. When Meta was like under $100 or whatever, it was like a no-brainer, man.
People forgot that Nvidia tried to buy ARM. Yeah. They had like a, what's his name? SoftBank had like a 90% ownership in this. I don't know how much they have now. I think they sold. Yeah, they might have sold it
recently.
Yeah, they sold it at the lows, dude. Classic.
Whoa, what was it? What was that on ARM? Just like popped to 166
It did?
for like a second.
The fuck was that? Yeah, it did. 166.
The options didn't move, so that must have just been a print.
Yeah. Must be the top for today. Algo's busted, guys.
It's like a top, guys.
Simulation.
After 21%.
Simulation got cooked. A lot of people are like hyping up the space trade into that SpaceX IPO.
Yeah.
I like it. I think it's not as impressive as people think it is. I think as soon as that shit actually IPOs, they're gonna dump everything besides SpaceX. Except the winners. I don't think they're gonna dump like ASTS and Rocket Lab, or maybe they run them up. I don't know, but I don't see the reason to, right? Like, why not just buy SpaceX at $1 trillion market cap?
Oh, yeah, I could see it. It's a good narrative.
ARM is not going to go to 200 by Friday, guys. No. If it goes to 200 by Friday, I'll take off until fucking June. Oh, brother.
It's like SPX is pinned to 6,600 now.
Oh, what a surprise, dude.
What a
It was either
surprise.
that or like the 6650, but
Yeah. Classic.
are you guys still holding on TSEM? Yeah, I am. I'm a Yankees fan, yeah. Have we had a losing trade this week, Omar?
Um,
I don't think so.
Loser? What's a loser? No.
Sick.
Nope.
You from the Bronx? No, I'm from Jersey. I grew up in the Bronx when I was younger. Man, GV is just fucking nuts, bro. Another name, impossible to trade. 1,000 call for next week is $8.
GEV. We haven't traded it like once.
I love
Every
trade.
time I look at the options chain, it's just like too
yeah, you're
much.
paying fucking $1,000 for next week's. Oh, Jersey. I love Jersey. What's wrong with Jersey? Need to get my ass to the gym today, though, dude.
Just go now. I don't think anything else is gonna happen.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna cut the stream off for you guys in a couple minutes.
Yeah, gotta take my dogs out for a walk soon.
I am looking through my watches though more. It's kind of funny because like if you're not trading the right names, you're not making money.
Oh yeah.
Like half that shit is not moving.
Oh yeah.
Like
SPX is unchanged since the open.
yeah, 70% of my
literally
watches has
hasn't
not
gone
moved.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I went to school in Philly, man. I love Philly. All right, guys, I'm gonna end stream here. I'm gonna go to the gym,
Yep.
and then
About to say the
I'm
same.
gonna work out for about an hour, and then I'll come back like when market picks up. It's lunch hours. I don't expect anything to happen anyway. I'm live every day. If you guys are new, just please hit the subscribe button. I'll be live every day except tomorrow. I have something to do tomorrow, and I will see you guys first thing in the morning. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day.